Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I did it. I completed the Master Sword. Was a lot of work, I'll be honest with you. In this video, we're gonna go over the making of the full Master Sword. In a previous one, I showed the decayed Master Sword and how to make that one. And you wouldn't think that it'd be that different, but in this video, I wanted to give an example of how you can use both resin printing with the details of the handle and the wing guard versus FDM, and the affordability of printing and not wasting resin on a part that can look just as good printing on an FDM printer. I will admit that this sword needs a couple of pieces of touch-up, and you might see that here in this video, and I do apologize for that, but I'm on a bit of a time crunch. So bear with me, but here is the final product. We start with obviously printing the handle and the start of the blade where they meet in resin, and we clean those up, which is pretty simple. It's a very easy job. However, it adds a whole lot more work later on. At least this model did. Then with the printing of the FDM, these were printed vertically, as you'll see here. And no supports, so we just popped those right off and we were good to go. The next part was assembly, where we took each of the pieces, bought a dowel, a little wooden dowel, and with that dowel we lined up, glued, and now we've got even a little bit of extra support, which is really good when it comes to resin. And I printed these pretty thin, so, and it now is very solid. I couldn't be happier with it. After doing that, it is all about hiding the seams. And you will still see here, even with all of my work, which was quite a few hours, I could still even improve on hiding these seams here. And then same thing with this part right here. Here you will see that all of the work that went into making these look uniform. The line goes right through there, from the resin parts, from the handle to the guard. I used the exact same paints as I did in my previous sword video. For the silver or gray, I just went with an aluminum spray paint. I found that whenever you are working with FDM, the thickness of spray paint does a better job of hiding the layer lines when it comes to FDM prints. But the other two paints remain the same, just these pretty cheap Create X pearlized colors, both gold and blue, and it did a fantastic job.
See you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you. I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I could become the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one.
I just love these colors and the contrast that they create on this. It is, maybe I'm tooting my own horn too much, but it is nice. I think that this looks fantastic. But thanks for watching the video, everybody. I hope you found this one to be enjoyable. Give a like and comment what you thought below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you'd like to see me make more of. I have really enjoyed making all of these Legend of Zelda props. I'm really excited to have this up on my wall. If you really enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you'll see more of my video and more of my content. In the next video, you're gonna see a lot more of the Divine Beast painting, and we're hopefully gonna get all 4 of those printed up or painted up and finished for you. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.